Alright, another week, another train, except this one has arrived very late and I was very itching to get my hands on this. Alright, so I am eager to open this up. And, sorry. It looks like it doesn't even take much to open it, which is a bit worrying on you. Sorry again. It is in this box. Probably leave the knife out just in case. It is in here. Well, at least it's wrapped pretty well. Okay, this is just empty. Ooh, this is the engine. Oh, wow. Check that out. Very lovely. Yeah, I think that's boxware on it or something like that. Yep, this is a standard drive. You guys can see it. There we go. Yeah, I think all of these are like, well, I'm not sure if all of them have standard drive. I probably gotta dust this off. Yeah, or boxware, foamwares or something like that. Yeah, my Southern Crescent Limited PS-4. Nice. I cannot wait to see this thing run. Alright. Now let's get this out. This is the tender. I did hear that this is literally the only Rivarossi Southern engine that has this tender. Don't know if it's true entirely, but that's what I heard. It's a really good looking tender. Right now let's couple engine and tender together. Let's see how they look. They look fantastic. Whoop. There we go. Yeah, this looks fantastic. I cannot wait to see how this thing runs. But first it needs a little bit of a dusting off. Okay, got a paintbrush right here. Let's see if I can get some of this stuff off. Yeah, it's coming off pretty easily. Now the wheels, probably shouldn't be doing this on this type of paintbrush, but just want to keep it nice and clean. How about the other side? It doesn't look too bad. Probably dust the whole unit off. Alright, now let's test this thing on a railway. Right now, tender wheels. They look okay, they don't look too bad. It may need a clean afterwards. It rolls really nicely too, which is what I'm happy with. Now the engine itself. Alright, now couple them together. Alright, now get all this junk out of the way so that way I can have a decent space to walk around in. Alright, turn the power on. Now let's see if it moves. Alright. That ain't too bad. It's running really good. Turn this down just a hair. It's running a bit too fast. Yeah, it's not too bad. Yeah, this thing's running pretty good. I think the wheels need a bit of a cleaning though. I did see it stutter a couple times off camera. And I might have to brush the underside off too, because you can see some of that foam wear that it probably had. Let me do that real quick, I'll get back to you. So I don't know how well you guys can see it, but I think that looks like corrosion on the wheels. I mean, it runs good. It's starting to short a little bit, but yeah, doesn't look terrible though, but it does kind of look like a lot. Right, I might have to leave this thing alone for a little while because I'm not gonna do it too much. But oh no, it's moving. Oh no, now it's shorting a bit. So yeah, I better leave this alone and try to think of another way to get this thing running. I think it's because of that small corrosion that this thing's getting. So I'll update you guys on what I can do next. Well, I guess I found a false alarm. Turns out the drawbar on this thing is actually sitting a little bit too low and it's touching this truck. So I didn't do a good job of it, but I put some electrical tape over it. I'll have to trim that down. And now it's running pretty good. Yeah, there's still a little bit of maybe that corrosion on the wheels. I'll literally have to clean that off somehow. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm definitely gonna have to find a way to do that. But other than that, oh, there we go, it just stopped. But yeah, other than that, it runs really good. Start again. Yeah. I'm gonna go do something for today, and when I get home, I'll trim the electrical tape. Probably put a new piece on, since I did a really terrible job of doing it. But other than that, I'm pretty happy with this thing. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, it's me. I just got back from a friend's house. I had fun. We watched Jaws together. It was awesome. So now I have the PS-4 on the desk. It still runs great. I just tested it and it runs really good. And I did show you guys the crappy job I did with the electrical tape on it, the rear pony truck, to keep the drawbar from connecting the rear pony truck. So yeah, I'm going to get my tripod out and we will do a much better job with that electrical tape. So I'll be right back. Right, so the PS4 is right here, and I'm going to change heads on this screwdriver. We will take the rear pony truck off. If I can get it in there, there we go. Alright, so I'm going to tape the spring and screw out. Should not lose those. I don't know how well this one sticks, but probably gonna measure it down to size, so that way we'll have to. Not sure it's a good idea to use a pen to do this. Kinda don't recommend using a pen to do this, but I ain't got any other choice. I'll try not to put too much pressure in case it goes through and scratches it. But hopefully that should be good. I feel like I worry about the littlest things. Right, I think I got it. Gotta see though. So this is the side that's gonna touch the track, so we I don't know, maybe put that there. Might have to put another layer on. I don't think this should be too bad, he says, though if it does short again, I will put some more electrical tape on it. In fact, this is something that I had to do to my Baltimore and Ohio Heavy Pacific, President Fillmore. You guys remember that one? Don't really run that thing very often, I don't know why. Alright, I put it back on the track. I didn't connect the engine and tender, just so I can show you guys the drawbar. Look how low that is. It's literally touching the trailing truck. So if you guys have a Rivarossi Heavy Pacific, and if it's shorting, that could be the issue. The drawbar, both the drawbar and the trailing truck, are both made of metal, so if they're making contact while your engine's running, it can short out the engine. So you guys really do have to be careful. Don't leave it shorting for too long, because if you leave it shorting for like maybe less than a minute, the engine will blow up. So do be very careful. Right, there it is on the track. If it does short, we'll stop it. So let's just give it a little test run. I gotta keep an eye on it. I actually may have to put a little bit of more electrical tape on a pony truck just to keep it from shorting a little bit. But yeah, it does run pretty good. So right now it hasn't shorted yet. I'm keeping a little eye on it. So that is the Rivarossi PS-4, or as I like to call it, the PlayStation 4 class. Get it? I have the PlayStation 4 right here. Get it? But yeah, I just heard it short a little bit. And it should start back up, so I'm gonna have to put more electrical tape into the pony truck. So yeah, that is the Rivarossi. Oops, the Rivarossi. That is the Rivarossi Southern PS4. I hope you all enjoyed it. I most certainly did, even if I have to make a little small maintenance on it. But hey, you know, it's pretty much all it needs, really. I'm really happy with it, you know. I still have to put more electrical tape onto the rear pony truck, so that won't be an issue at all. I got more electrical tape in my drawer, so I shall be doing that after this video. So thank you all so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.